Hello and welcome to BYU-Idaho. We're super excited to have you and wanted to take a moment to discuss the variety of different math courses that we have here at BYU-Idaho. Most people, when attending BYU-Idaho, depending on their previous math experience and their ACT or SAT scores, will be placed into a certain math class. Most students in our department end up falling into what is called Math 100B, the beginning algebra course. You're here probably because you haven't taken math in quite a while. Maybe you've served a mission, or maybe it's been a while since you've been out of school. That's great. That's what this class is for. It's a refresher algebra course. Algebra is like the basic building blocks for future mathematics classes. Now, you should be aware that when you take Math 100B, it will open the door to two additional classes, Math 101 and Math 108. Math 101 is Algebra 2, and Math 108 is Math in the Real World. Now, notice this class has a star. During your time here at BYU-Idaho, you must get at least one star. Star means that it's a general education requirement. So as you're planning your math courses, make sure that you get at least one star as you are while you are here on campus. A lot of students get Math 108, Math in the Real World, and then they are done, unless their major requires them to get more math. Some students have to take higher level math courses. For example, if you have to take Math 109, which is pre-calculus, or Math 110, which is college algebra, or Math 111, trigonometry, then you'll definitely need to take this path. And these lines show the path that you need to take. From our Math 100B course, as long as you pass it, you'll be able to get to Math 101 or Math 108. You can then complete Math 101 to get either to one of these three classes here, or also to statistics, which is also a star GE class. If you take Math 109, 110, or 111, that can open the door for Math 112, which is calculus, which is also a starred class. Remember, while you're here at BYU-Idaho, you must get at least one of these starred classes. Your major might require you to take different courses, but you have to at least get one of these stars. As you're taking this class, be aware that we do have a class that comes before this. If you feel like this class is too overwhelming in the first week or two, you might want to contact your teacher and talk about possibly getting into Math 100A. It's a college arithmetic course and goes over even more basic math. It's our lowest level course here at BYU-Idaho. But most students find that this class is a good place to start. As I look at this chart, it almost looks like the plan of salvation. Look at this. We have pre-mortal math, mortal math, post-mortal math, spirit paradise and spirit prison. Oh, okay, I'm not saying that Math 108 is spirit prison. And then here at the end, we have the celestial, terrestrial, and telestial math. Okay, no, that's going too far. It's not the math plan of salvation. But if you feel you are in the wrong course, there is a test at the university that we have called the ALEKS test. The ALEKS test is a test that you can take. You will have to pay for it, but as you take it, it will help you know which class you should take. And it'll allow you to skip classes if you so want to do so. For example, if you get a certain score on the ALEKS test, it'll allow you to skip this class and go here. Or maybe you get even a higher score and it'll allow you to go all the way to here, or even all the way to calculus. The ALEKS test is a good way to test your knowledge and skip a class. Now, you should be aware that if you do skip a course, you don't get credit for it. So be aware of that as you are skipping if you do plan to use the ALEKS test. To find more about the ALEKS test, more information about that, you should visit this link right here. This link will take you to the math department's website about the ALEKS test, where you'll be able to read about how to sign up for the test and how to take it and what score you would need to have if you wanted to skip to a certain class. Now, skipping's not for everyone, but if you do feel like you have a sufficient level of knowledge already in mathematics, then you should definitely take this Alex test. You're allowed to take it up to 5 times for the price of one. Well, that's it. That's a summary of all the courses that we have here at BYU Idaho that you might start at. Just remember a couple things. You've got to get a star. Another thing you want to remember is the paths and how to get to the class that you'll need. The third thing you'll want to do is know what math classes your major requires. Your major might require additional math. If not, then you just have to get 1 star, and you could do that here at Math in the Real World, or at Statistics, or at Calculus. If you have any questions, feel free to contact your math teacher. They'd love to help you more with this. Thanks for watching.